Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm one of the engineers here at Dapol, and today we're looking at the new machine we had from TQC, which now assembles our wheel sets. So the start of our process of making a wheel set begins with loading up the machine with all the parts needed. So we have the conveyor here, which we load wheels on, and we also load wheels into the bowl feeder. This gives us extra capacity. We have the bowl feeder down here, which is for the bushes, and we have the bowl feeder up here for the axles. The wheels and bushes are fed to the necessary stations with vibratory feeders. The axles is drop fed down a chute. With the machine now running, you can see that it's now all operating. And the first thing it will do is pick up a bush from the feeder over here. It then uses that bush to then pick up a wheel at the next station, and then deposits that wheel in a little nest for then this gripper assembly you see moving back and forth here to then pick up an axle. It will then pick up a wheel on one end of that axle, wait there, and it will then come back, pick up the next wheel. So you've got wheels on both sides. The next process is the wheel is brought across by the gripper to the walking beam system. It will then press the wheels further onto the axle. The final station is measuring the wheels to check they are all nice, parallel and square to the axle so that they will run well. After it's done all these processes, which only takes about 22 seconds per wheel set, it's quite quick, it is then either ejected into the reject bin, which is underneath the drawer, or we get the finished product from the drawer. Been quite a large investment for us since buying the CNC lathe about 3 years ago to produce the wheels. We've done quite a bit of work on the coatings of the wheels, and now we are no longer hand assembling them. We now have this machine. The investment in this has meant that in the factory it is helping to keep our production up, as it is tying up less staff as it's all automated.